Hello student. Today I am explaining your question number 15. I think that is amicable number. So first of all, try to understand what is amicable number and which number is called amicable number. See, if and two number are such that the sum of factors of one number is equal to the other number, and sum of factor of other number is equal to the first number. See, suppose we have two number like that. Suppose we have two number, one is A and one is B. So amicable number is if sum of factors of A is equal to B. Sum of factors of A is equal to B, and sum of factors of B is equal to A. If sum of factors of A is equal to B and if sum of factors of B is equal to A, if this condition is fulfilled, such numbers pairs are called amicable number. Now see the program. See, 220 and 284 are the example. You can check it by finding their factors. First of all, class amicable, we have take import statement. We have created scanner SCR, scanner object, that is SCR. We will input out two number N1 and N2. We will input two number N1 and N2. N1 will store first number and N2 will store second number. And now S1 equal to find sum N1. We have called a function find sum. In which we passed a number N1. So find sum function will calculate the sum of factors of N1. Find sum is a function that will calculate the sum of factors of N1, and that sum of factors will be stored in S1. Next, again we have called find sum function, and this time we have passed N2, means second number. This time find sum function will calculate the sum of factors of N2, and this sum of factor will store in S2. Okay, means S1 will store the sum of factors of first number and S2 will store the sum of factors of second number. Now check the condition. If S1 equal to N2, means S1, that is sum of factors of first number, is equal to N2, means second number, and S2 equal to N1, means sum of factors of second number is equal to N1, that is first number. If these conditions are fulfilled, these conditions are true, this condition evaluates to true, then this statement will be executed. They are amicable number. If these statements becomes false, these conditions becomes false, then control goes to else part and display the system.println they are not amicable. Okay. Now what happens inside the function find sum? First of all, find sum function, this find sum function we have passed N1, find sum function here, the find sum function, that number that we have passed in N1, this number is stored in X. Therefore X will store the same number which is stored in N1. So this time we have to calculate the sum of factors of X. Okay, so to calculate sum of factors we need to run a loop from 1 to X. If X mod I equals to 0, if X mod I equals to 0, that if I will divide X completely, it means I is the factor of X, and that time this condition becomes true, and I, we will store I in the variable sum in this way. So this way the sum of factors will be calculated. This type of program we have done in standard 9, so I don't need to explain much more. Okay, so first time we have passed n1, so this function will calculate the sum of factors of n1. Second time we have passed n2, then this function will calculate the sum of factors of n2. Okay, after calculating the sum, this function will return the sum, return to s1, and second time return to s2. So this way this program we will solve. See the complete program and try to copy it. Here up to return sum. Okay. Now check the dry run once again. See, suppose n1 equal to 220 and n2 equal to 284. So s1 will store the find sum, that means sum of n1, that is sum of 220, and s2 will store find sum of n2, means sum of factors of 284. If s1 equal to n2, means sum of factors of first number is equal to second number, and s2 equals to n1, means sum of second number is equal to first number. If both these condition becomes true, that means these number pairs are called amicable number. Okay, thank you.